In today's video, I'm answering your most asked questions about Maclean London Strong and Healthy Shampoo. After thoroughly testing it over time, I will cover how it works for different hair needs, how long it takes to see results, and everything you need to know before using it. So let's dive in and break it all down.